Alright guys, before starting the video, let me show you a quick demo how our AI voice agent is going to sound like.
Hey, this is Kate from Super Real Estate. How can I help you today?
Hey Kate, I just want to book an appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Mohit.
Thanks, Mohit. Just so you know, we're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. When would you
Okay.
like to schedule the appointment?
Can we do it on next Friday at 2 pm?
All right, Mohit, next Friday at 2 p.m. works perfectly. Could you share your email address so I can confirm the appointment?
Yeah, my email address is mohitaiautomation at gmail.com.
Thanks, Mohit. Just to confirm, your email is mohitaiautomation@gmail.com. Is that
Yes,
correct?
yes, it is.
Your appointment is all set, Mohit. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Alright guys, you can see the appointment is booked and I received the email from cal.com, and this is the appointment which is with Chrono AI and Mohit. Basically I use my agency account for that, and this is for next Friday at 2 p.m. and this is my email ID and this is the Google Meet from where I can join the Google Meet. Okay, so now we have just seen a demo of an AI voice agent which I've built in real estate with conversational flow, and this one agent is built for a real estate company to book the appointment and handle the small customer support part. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can also build an AI agent for your business. Anyways, there are lots of things in the agent that I'm going to explain you, but before that let me explain myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own automation agency where we help businesses to integrate AI agents, AI voice agents into their business. Well, we already help lots of businesses to grow their business with the help of AI voice agent. We have built an outbound voice agent, inbound voice agent, which are handling their business on real time. So if you want to work with me or if you want me to build these AI agents for your business, then book a free call with me from my website. The link is in the description. So we are going to use Retell AI, and Retell AI is a platform in which we build AI agents. Well, if you are new to Retell AI, then don't worry, I'm going to break down everything for you. So first thing is that you need to log in into your Retell AI account, and if you don't have any account, then in the description there is sign up link. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one. First thing is that they offer a bunch of things, and the basic things are that you can see from here we can create our agent. From here we can upload a knowledge base. From here we can import our phone number. This is batch call which is used for the outbound calls, and there are a few more things. Anyway, if you want to create a new agent, then you have to click on the create an agent button and select the voice agent. But if you are downloading the template of the agent that I'm going to provide you in the description, so if you want to download the whole template, that you don't have to build an AI agent for yourself. Like I'm gonna share the whole template of the agent, so you can just import the template by clicking on this and then select the file and import it here. Then you're gonna have the whole agent into your account. Anyways, if you're creating a new agent totally from scratch, then you have to select it the voice agent, then select the conversational flow agent, because in this video I'm gonna show you how to build an agent with conversational flow. So select the start from blank and select the create button. Well, I have already created my agent, so I'm not going to create one. Alright, so you can see this is the agent. Well, you can see this is a flow and this is the overall prompt. Well, if you are new to Retell AI, then there are lots of things that you need to understand. That's why I'm going to explain you everything. So in the right hand side, you can see from here we can select the voice. You can select the voice from here, whatever voice you prefer. Then from here you can select the agent voice, or we can say the model voice. You can select either from play 11 labs or play HD. So I am using right now the Kate voice of from 11 labs, which is kind of good. And in the setting you can select the server, whatever server you prefer. Currently I am using 11 labs flash v2.5. So this is the first thing. Then the next thing is the global prompt. So we are using GPT-4o version because GPT-4o is one of the best. You can also go with GPT 4.1, it is also work better, but I prefer GPT 4o. Then the next thing is the system prompt, and this is the system prompt that we are gonna use. Well, I'm gonna break down the system prompt for you. Well, the next thing is the knowledge base. We need, if you have a knowledge base or FAQs of your business, then you can just upload it from here. Then in the speech setting, just let it on default. enable the back channeling one and add some words here for back channeling. Basically this will help to make the conversation much more real and better, so AI is going to sound as human as possible. And on the right side you can see there is an option for test. Just click on this one. From here you can test your agent as audio and also as a LLM. LLM means a chatbot, so you can test it as audio or as a LLM. Anyways, this is the conversational flow. But first thing, let me break down the system prompt for you, because once you're going to understand the system prompt, the things are going to be much more easier for you. So this is a system prompt which is role. Role is your kid, this is the name, and an inbound agent. Your job is to handle incoming calls from the customer. So this one agent is built for the inbound calls, basically for customer support part and to book the appointment with the user. So this is the caller detail, so this is the prompt for that, and this is the current time. And this is also important because if you are from Los Angeles or maybe anywhere else like Canada, UK, so you need to focus on this. You need to enter your time zone after this. So like right now I'm using this one, but all you have to do is just change it with your time zone, maybe Los Angeles, America, Los Angeles. So this is the time zone for that, so that the agent can have the idea what is the current time and date. Then the next thing is there are some specific, if the caller provide their detail, name, email, etc., all of these things, so don't ask for that again. Then the next thing is if the caller name, then the next thing is use the caller name to make the conversation better. Before booking the meeting, always check that the date and time it is in the future, because we don't want to book the meeting in past, of course. So that's the one thing. Then when booking a video call, confirm their email address by spelling out. So the agent is going to confirm the email address that it is correct or not, because sometimes what happen, agent don't receive the email address correctly, so it is going to book the appointment with wrong email, and we don't want that, so we are going to use this one for that. Then there are some notes to make the conversation better. All you have to do is just copy this or paste it, or if you're downloading the template from my resources, then you don't even have to do this, because everything will be set up for you. All you have to do is just connect your phone number, then use the agent. Anyways, all you have to do is just copy this and paste it into your system prompt, so it is going to make the conversation better, and it will make the agent much more real compared to normal agent. Then there are some important notes. Please never get too excited in the starting of the sentence, because usually AI get too excited. And this one is to recommend the available time slot by checking the current time. And this one is to confirm their email. Again, never repeat any function once again, like you can see overall these things are there. Then ensure that the provided date and time is in the future, so that we can book the meeting in future. And yeah, overall that's the overall thing. Then this one is for the booking purposes, like when we are going to book the appointment, all you have to do is just copy this one thing and paste it. But remember one thing, that you need to focus on this one thing. This is the start time, so you can see the start time is for 5 p.m. and this is the end time, which is for 5:15 p.m. So you need to set the duration here. Like if you want the Google Meet call for 15 minutes, so just let it be same as this one. But if you want it for 30 minutes or 1 hour, you need to change the end time. So if it is 5 p.m, then just change this one with 5:30 p.m. if you want the Google Meet for 30 minutes, or if you want for an hour, then change this one with 6 p.m. Anyways, that's overall thing, and that is all included in the system prompt. So the main thing is our conversational flow, because this is where we are giving the instructions, or you can sense it like this is overall the flow chart of the agent, like how our AI agent is going to work. So this one agent is built for the booking purposes and to handle little bit of customer queries. So this one is for that. So once you're going to click on the conversation, you can see this is a new block. So just add a new block like this one. Then you can add a prompt here, and that's all you need to do. Anyways, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to explain you how you can do that. Alright, so this is a welcome note, which is basically your name is Kate and you are an inbound sales representative at Super Realty Group, which is a real estate company. And this is the first message. And now there are two paths. If someone want to book an appointment, then it is going to take this one path, or if someone wants the support or assistant, then it is going to take this one path. So you can add a path from here. Just click on this add button and click on the prompt. Then from here you can add, so just name it same as this one, or if you want extra path, so just add it from here. Anyways, you can see this one path, this one is for appointment 1 and it is going here. So this one is for ask the username. So now it is going to ask the username, what is your name, and once they confirm their name, it is going to take this one path here. And this is for ask for the meeting, like to book the meeting. So this one is user want to book an appointment, so tell them first that we are only open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Friday to Monday. Then ask when would you like to schedule an appointment. So this is the prompt for that. And once they are going to confirm the time and date, then it's going to check the calendar. That usually means it is going to check the calendar that the time slot is available or not for the booking purposes, because we don't want overlapping of our calls. And the second part is user needs support or something else, like overall the customer support part. Then it is going to take this one path, and this one is for the customer support, assist the user with whatever question he will ask about the company. Okay, then the next thing is this. Now this is important, we need our cal.com account here. You can add this one thing by the function, because usually we are using the conversational flow here, but now we need to use the function. So just click on the function button, select this one, you will get this one on default. Just add this one here and you can have something like this, but we need to edit this one. So you need to click on this one, edit button. Okay, not this one, just click on this and you can see there is a button for edit. Just select this one. Okay, now we need the API key, the event type ID, and the time zone. So time zone is the country from where you belong, whatever the country from where you are, America, Los Angeles, whatever. So just add the time zone here. Then the next thing is the event type ID. So you can get the event type ID in your cal.com account. So you can see this is a cal.com account which we are going to use to book the appointment. So just create an event if you don't have any, but if you have already an event, just select that event, and in the URL section you can see there is an option for this. Actually in the URL you can see there is a event type ID. So this is exactly what we need. So this is the event type ID. Just copy it from here, then paste it here. And the next thing is the API key. So just go to the settings and click on the API key, and in the developer section you can see there is option for API key, and just create a new API key from here. Click and add, name it whatever you want to, click on the never expire and click the API key. Then you are going to have it. Just copy this one and then paste it here. Then you are going to have your calendar. Now I'm going to cancel this one, and you need to do it with the booking appointment one. Just add your API key here, the event type ID, and the time zone. That's all you need to do. Alright, once you're gonna do that, okay, let me first delete this one. Okay, once you're gonna do that, if the time is available, so let's say if I say I want to book an appointment for next Friday at 4 p.m. and if the 4 p.m. is available in the host calendar, so it is going to take this one path. But if it is not available, then it is going to take this one path. So it is like that the time slot is not available, and it is going to suggest them the alternative time for bookings. So once they are going to confirm the time, it is going to check that again that the time slot is available or not, and then it is going to take this one path. So our next step is to ask their email address. So you can see this one is for that, ask for their email address and also confirm it. And you must confirm the email address like this one, mohitautomation@gmail.com. So it is going to confirm the email address by saying something like this. So this is the one thing. After that it is going to book the appointment. Now again you need to add a function from here, select this one, add, and just add a path from here and let the path here. Then it is going to book the appointment for you. Then it is going to take this one path to say something like this, can I help you with anything else or not. So if they need help with anything, then it is going to take this one path, and if they don't need any help, then it is going to take this one path, which is to end the call. You can just click this one and then it is going to end the call from here. Okay, so this is the one thing. Or if they need any help, then this is the path, and this is assist the user with whatever question he will ask about the company. Or if we need help with anything, then it is going to take this one path, and which is basically assist the user with whatever question he will ask about the company. Then if the conversation is ended, then it is going to come here and end the call. Anyways, if you want to learn how to build advanced AI voice agents in Retell AI, then or WAP AI, I've created lots of videos on that, so you can watch that. And in this video, that's enough. This is a basic agent because I just want to teach you how you can create an agent in conversation flow like this one with flowcharts. If you like this, then let me know. And if you want to download the resources of this one, then just click on my resources button. Then from there you can just download this. And once you're gonna download the template of this agent, you can just import it from here. So once you're going to import it, you are going to have the whole agent into your account. And that's enough for today. If you want to work with me, if you want me to build this agent for your company, then book a free call with me from my website. From there you can just book a free call, and then we are going to discuss how we can implement AI agents into your business. Well, that's enough for today. I'm going to see you in another video. Until then, bye.